अरे जोश चढ़ गया बच्चों को. Now Shri and Yogesh have started to pick up some pace. Finally. And that's a nice looking Thar, man. Bro, don't kill me. Chalo, don't lose momentum, pick up pace. You guys have developed a rhythm. Hi guys, I'm Abhinav. This is day 2 of our Spiti ride. We are riding to Kalpa from Narkanda, only a distance of 150 kilometers. Day 1 we reached Narkanda from Delhi. 4 guys, Yudhvir, who's on the X-Pulse 4 valve, Srinivas right here on the Interceptor, Yogesh again on the Interceptor, and I'm on my X-Pulse 230. So the way it works is, because Shri is very new to touring, not that I've done a lot of touring, but Shri's just, this is his first real ride. So yeah, he doesn't have the confidence, but it's okay, he's doing all right. And because of that, what we've decided to do is, because he was getting left behind every time we were riding at our pace, I'm gonna ride sweep, Yogesh is going to ride lead, and Yudhvir will ride somewhere in the middle along with Shri. That's not happening. Yudhvir is right now riding at his own pace, which always happens, you know, that man just cannot ride at somebody else's pace. He likes riding his pace after a certain point of time. Alright, the roads are beautiful so far. A very hot day, very hot day. This started to get a little broken now, which is what I really prefer. I don't want smooth roads, even though they are like beautiful corners. I mean, that's really nice, but that's not what I want to do on the X-Pulse. I want the toughest of terrain, the most challenging terrain, because I think that's the kind of riding I enjoy now. Okay, Yudhvir is here, that means Yogesh has gone ahead. Oh yeah, by the way, we are looking for gloves for Srinivas, because he came with some pro biker basic gloves on a Spiti ride. Now when we reach Chandratal, when there'll be 0-degree temperature, this guy's going to die. It's how can he's not prepared for this trip properly. But that's okay, we'll find something for him. So yeah, so maybe that's why we slowed down, because we have to also find him gloves. Weather's a little nice now. It's a little cloudy, sun's behind the clouds. The sun was really raining down heat upon us, like extreme heat. Not Delhi bad right now, because Delhi is what, 43, 45, 46, but it must be mid-30s at least. Not right now, it doesn't feel like that right now, because again the sun is behind the clouds, but just about 5-7 minutes ago it's very hot. In fact, these guys are suffering with their riding gear. I mean, this guy's wearing a full-on touring jacket which is not very ventilated. We got him to open the zipper, otherwise he'd just die. Yogesh too is wearing a jacket which doesn't have a lot of mesh panels. He's been complaining about the heat as well. Yudhvir is wearing a base layer under his ADV spec jacket, and that's why he's been complaining too. Not so much the case with me. My jacket, this Royal Enfield jacket, is fully mesh. Beautiful jacket, beautiful lovely olive green color. D30 level 2 all around, back, chest, not chest, back, shoulders, elbows. And I knew that it's going to be hot. I spoke to my good friend DCV, Dinesh Chahal, who, you know, now is always in the mountains, either in a Mahindra Thar or the Force Gurkha. So he told me, bro, it's hot, it's very hot. So what I've decided to do is just wear layers. If it starts raining, I'm going to pull out Rain jacket, throw it on top of this jacket, sorted. I've got rain gloves too. And what I've done is, this time I have compartmentalized all the luggage that I'm carrying. Oh, what a beautiful road. All the luggage that I'm carrying in various bags. In fact, believe it or not, I have 5 bags that I'm using for this trip, and I think I'm still using minimal luggage. I don't like to carry a lot of luggage, but what I'm going to show you my luggage setup in a different video. I think what I've done makes sense. My god, beautiful weather, beautiful road. I want to put my visor up. Yeah, just lovely, man. I remember we've done this when we came to Chitkul. 2018 was it? Yudhvir was on the GS, I was on my street twin back then. And yeah, we were yeah, let's just say we were riding like assholes back then too. Not today because of Srinivas, but that day we were really, really fast. Not something that one should be proud of, but we were riding fast, you know, it is what it is. My god, what a view, man. Chal Shri Chal. I think Yogesh is recording on his GoPro, that's why he's standing and riding, which is okay. He really wants to start a YouTube channel. He's very informative, but he's a little reserved, a little conservative. But I think he'll do good if he starts. Very knowledgeable. The guy's done Ladakh 7 times. He's the one who planned this entire trip. Srinivas hasn't done touring, so he couldn't have planned. He was a last minute add-on to the trip. It was supposed to be just us 3 guys earlier. Yogesh, Yudhvir, me. And Yudhvir and I, we are really hopeless. We are bad, okay? we cannot plan, we cannot do bookings. Last time we had to travel together. There's a girl at work, Shatabdi, we asked her to do it, good friend. Told her, please, just find us a place, okay? In Jibi. And yeah, she found us a good place on Airbnb. Yeah, we guys can't plan, so Yogesh did all the planning. He marked out the route, so he's made a very easy itinerary for us. Short rides, not more than 5-6 hours every day, apart from the first day and the last day. First day, Delhi Narkanda, because Srinivas got lost. These guys started at 6 in the morning, and then, you know, he got lost, and then they lost some 3-4 hours because of that. I joined them later on the ride. I started from home at 10:15. I caught up with them at Zirakpur, and then Srinivas got lost again because he doesn't have an intercom, he doesn't have a phone, and he doesn't know the way, and coordination was shit. So anyway, so he got lost, and then we found him. We were stranded in rain. We were just standing and just chilling, talking, waiting for him at a place for 2 hours. Started raining. I mean, imagine these guys started their day at, let's say, 6 in the morning, and they reached Narkanda from Delhi at a shameful 11:30 p.m. I reached with them too, but in my defense, I started my day at 10:15 a.m. Anyway, so yeah, so first day was really long. The last day is gonna be long, because second last day when we're gonna go do Chandratal to Manali, and the last day we're gonna do Manali to Delhi. I'm hoping by then Srinivas would have gained confidence about riding in the mountains, because where he really struggles with is, dude, this is not cool. Yeah, where he really struggles with is overtakes. Now, we're not talking about blind overtakes because we don't recommend them. I think that's just a stupid idea. Don't blind overtake. But he sort of, you know, rides like a car guy. So on a car you wouldn't, you know, swerve much. That is what happens with him. So if he gets stuck behind a vehicle, he'll just stay there. I'm not dissing on the guy, okay? I'm not dissing on the guy. It's just a fact. It's just a lack of experience. And that's all right, you know. I mean, that's how you learn. You only learn by riding, right? He's learning. That is what matters. The ride is not suffering, so it's all good. Yeah, all right. Also, how shit is Vodafone, man? Fucking network. I don't get network anywhere in the hills. Anyway, I digress. Let's not turn this into a rant. Arey bhai, speed. So we'll just keep flowing like this, guys. We'll keep flowing. We'll get to Kalpa. I keep forgetting, man. What is wrong with me? You know, I'll tell you a very crucial thing. These boys on the Interceptor, they get shit tired by the end of the day. Not so much on the X-Pulse. Like Yogesh was having major back issues yesterday. Even Shri was tired, fatigued, badly fatigued. I don't think the Interceptor is a very good traveling bike. I don't know, you know, I mean, yeah, people who travel, they travel, right? But I don't think it's the most comfortable bike out there to travel long distance. Considering I own one, I think I can say that I don't want to ride very long distances on the Interceptor. Seat's horrible. Yeah, you can get a seat mate, but nah. Maybe the KTM 390 Adventure, Himalayan, better bikes. But then I'm biased towards ADVs. I like the very open stance, you know, high up handlebars. Oh fuck. Okay, we are stopping for some reason. Okay. Oh, beautiful view, man. क्या हुआ? तो रुका क्यों? सुसु करनी है उसको? हाँ, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ, रुका क्यों है? क्या हुआ? ऑल ओके? सुसु करनी है तुझे? करो। चलो चलो चलो। सब हरामी है साले। हाँ, क्या हुआ? बात करते हैं। खड़े होके चला रहा था, वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रहा था ना। ये सीट लगा के चलेगा तो यही होगा। एक्सपल्स लेके आनी चाहिए थी तुझे।